How to change Instagram chat theme in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to your chat sections by clicking on this chat or messenger icon in the top right corner. When you click on this, then you come to your chat sections. You can open any of the chats that you want. So let's see, I open this chat, and then here you can see in the top right corner, this is the user's profile, and then in the uh, right side of the profile you can see the username. So when you click on the username, then you come to this page, and here you can see the theme. So when you click on the themes in the middle, then you can see the all these themes. You can choose any of the themes that you want. You can choose the ocean theme, you can choose the Selena the series theme. So when you go back, then here you can see it is in the Selena series theme. So what you have to do is you can also change to any of the theme. You can change any of the theme. You can also change to the colors, and then here you can see the this is in these colors. So only the fonts is changed. So that's basically that how you can change the Instagram chat theme. This is very easy process. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.